In this tutorial, you will learn how to use BeautifulSoup for web scraping Craigslist. So let's assume we want to scrape the titles of jobs available in Boston from Craigslist. In this video, we will work on one page only. We will simply search the website and get the URL https://boston.craigslist.org/search/SOF. If you have not already, please watch the two previous videos first. In the current video, the only new part is titles equals soup.findAll, A, class, result title. For title in titles, print title.text. Now it will find all A tags whose class name is result title. How can you know the class name? You can find it by opening the URL in your browser, moving the cursor on a job title, right-clicking and selecting Inspect. You can see now the HTML code like this. You can try the same for job addresses. You have to extract all span tags whose class name is result hood. With this code, addresses equals soup.findAll, span, class, result hood. For address in addresses, print address.text. Try to run the code on your machine and let me know if you have any questions. You can download the code under the References section